Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Ranger Rear Elite bumper. First, you want to start by installing your light covers. It's easier to do it off the bike. Now you want to tighten your light covers with your Allen wrench and your end wrench. After that, if you went with the light kit, you can go ahead and install your light kit with the hardware provided from the light kit. In order to start your install, you want to remove your tailgate and your bottom splash guard. The splash guard is new for 2025, and you just need to remove the bolts holding it on top, and there's 4 on the bottom. Now you want to put your mounting brackets on. To start, you'll take your 5/16 by 3/4 bolt and washer and line it up with the rib brackets underneath. We got our bumper brackets hanging now. Now you want to go ahead and put your other 4 bolts in. Now you want to grab a friend and hold it up to the brackets and start a couple bolts. Now you want to start your inside bolts. You'll have one on either side that go here. Now that we have all your bolts loosely installed, we need to slide something under it so we can hold it up, get ready to drill your holes. Now that you have your bumper jacked up in place, you can take a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill out your pilot holes for your bumper brackets. Now that we got your holes pre-drilled, it's time to let your bumper down. Your kit comes with a self-threading bolt. What you will do is put some anti-seize on the bolt and then take a 1/2 inch socket on an impact and run it through the hole. You'll repeat that process for every hole. Now we're ready to jack your bumper back up. Let's start your Allen head bolts that come in the kit. Now that you have all your hardware loosely started, it's time to go ahead and tighten up everything evenly. If you want to make adjustments, you can loosen the hardware and shift it out and make it straight.